Welcome to Block 7. Today we will explore a renovation that blends architectural heritage with modern touches in Pinheiros House, a 90 square meter home in São Paulo, Brazil, designed by Balaio Arquitetura. From the outset, this project aimed to preserve the home's original elements while integrating contemporary interventions. One of the most striking features is the yellow hydraulic tile flooring that extends across almost the entire ground floor, creating a visual continuity with the house's front facade. This flooring also interacts with the abundant natural light from openings at both ends of the house, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Openness and connectivity between spaces were key principles in this renovation. Large glass openings, sliding doors, and a perforated metal gate establish a visual connection between indoor and outdoor areas. Meanwhile, the front garden is sheltered by a lightweight metal roof, occasionally covered with glass to define the entrance path. Over time, climbing plants will envelop this steel structure, further enhancing the home's relationship with nature. In an effort to restore the house's original essence, certain outdated elements were removed. The brick-textured facade and trapezoidal bay window, which previously reduced the garden space, were replaced with larger openings. These changes create a more seamless transition between the living room and backyard, where a concrete bench serves as a mediator between the interior and exterior. The house's structure was also reinforced after the removal of certain load-bearing walls, including a central pillar. This expansion of the interior spaces highlights unique elements, such as the wooden staircase that was once concealed behind kitchen cabinetry. In the kitchen area, a Paraná marble island serves as a social hub, connecting to the dining area through a custom-designed table. Kumaru wood panels and white walls frame the staircase, emphasizing the continuity between floors. Subtle design touches can be seen in the gentle curves of the rear facade, which are replicated on the kitchen wall to guide movement toward the back garden. Curved elements are also found in the guest bathroom walls, where softly graded tiles complement the natural lighting, accentuating the pink quartz countertop and polyurethane flooring that harmonizes with the home's color palette. On the upper floor, the original layout was preserved. The wooden flooring in the bedrooms and hydraulic tiles in the corridors remain intact, while the wooden windows with shutters were restored to full functionality. The most significant transformation occurs in the main bathroom, where blue-tiled flooring and a double sink countertop made of Puig's marble add a refined aesthetic. The renovation of Pinheiros House is more than just a physical update. It is an effort to harmonize the classic character of its surrounding neighborhood with the modern lifestyle needs of its residents. This home maintains the charm of the terraced houses along its small street in São Paulo, while incorporating contemporary functionality and aesthetics. That concludes Block 7's review of Pinheiros House. We hope this home design inspires you to create spaces that seamlessly connect the past and present. See you in the next video.